call the witness in.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Please sit down. Mr. Witness, welcome back for continuation of your testimony before this Commission of Inquiry.
Okay.
Please be reminded that you are still under oath.
Okay.
Thank you. Madam Chair, over to you.
Yes, Mr. Javne, you are welcome back.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Registrar, this is your exhibit. Counsel, can we proceed, please?
Yes. Yes, so now let's discuss some of the withdrawals you've made from the account of the area council.
Okay.
Again, can you remind me, which year were you appointed or promoted as an officer at the procurement unit?
2018, late 2018.
18. Now, the system audit, there
Okay.
were some findings that you've made withdrawals
Okay.
from the account, most notably EcoBank account.
Okay.
So, an account of the area council.
Yes.
And so first, I want to understand why you will make withdrawals from the area council's account when your role does not warrant you to do so.
Okay. Thank you, Council. Yes, even this, it comes to my knowledge or it comes to my notice during the time of this system audit when the reports were out. Yes, as far as my unit or my destination is concerned,
Yes.
I should not make any withdrawal from Pasay Area Council account. But this was due to lack of knowledge, you understand? So then, as I say, I don't know exactly this financial implication because I thought they are my boss. They are the one who told me, Jaune, come, and they draw the check because I'm not neither a signatory to any account of Pasay Area Council check. Yes.
So when was your first post-secondary school qualification?
When was?
Your first qualification after high school or secondary school?
After my high school, it was 2005.
After which you had a certificate or diploma in banking?
Yes, I did ABE first, Association of Business Executive. That is diploma, certificate to diploma.
In bank, yes.
At Jollof Tutos.
Yes.
So where
Which year was that?
that was year 2012.
2012, and then?
Then later I proceed to MDI to did my banking and finance.
Which year was that?
That was the same 2013, then 14, then 15, because the semester is past 6 months. So, but it was 2017, then I was working in council, then I did not pursue that advanced diploma, but I request for study leave as well so that I can able to grant for that this thing.
That was in 2017?
2017, yes.
So to 2017, you obtained your advanced diploma in banking and finance.
Exactly.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, and in 2012, your ABE.
Yes.
So when you say you did not know about the financial implication, I find it difficult to be convinced as to what you mean by it.
To be honest, Council, at that material point in time, I was not thinking it like that way because I thought they are my boss. They are the one who told me, John, come, you do this thing.
No, but these are excuses you will naturally accept from a layperson or someone who has no idea whatsoever. Why would we have to believe you? Because you, with all these qualifications,
yes,
you have a degree of knowledge in relation to accounting or finance.
Yes.
So why would we believe you?
Yes,
Tell
but
us why.
they are, let's say, for example, if you go to any institution, by right, before you started any job, you understand, they should have taken you through that job, how that job contains.
No, by right? you're supposed to have a basic understanding of the job first before you apply for the job. So having an induction in relation to any job has nothing to do with your pre-qualification. That's the point.
Yeah, but during the time of my studies, all these things, so I was never been told that, like check withdrawal aspect or whether anything.
You were never taught?
Yeah, I never thought about that.
No one will teach you that.
All I knew.
Listen.
Yes.
No one will teach you that check withdrawals doesn't have to be in your name if at all you are not the receiver.
Yes.
No one is going to tell you that in that literal sense. But your education would have warranted or would have made you understand that this is how the finances work. If this is not my obligation, it's not my obligation, period. If my job description doesn't fall within this assignments, then I should not execute it. Whatever you do outside your job description, you take responsibility for it. That's my point.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Okay, Councillor, yes, I understand that one. Yes, but pertaining to check, like as I'm saying, the only thing I knew pertaining to check, you understand, like when they say parties to the check, I only knew that time is that we have drawer.
When they say what?
The parties to the check.
To be honest,
yes.
This is the most interesting,
Yes.
the interesting session. We have learned a lot from you in relation to quotations and sayings of whatsoever form. I don't know what parties to a check mean. Can you explain to us what that means?
Yes, parties to the check, you have drawer.
Yes.
And you also have drawee.
Yes.
And you have payee.
Yes.
This is what I know basically on
Yes.
the check, you understand? But matter of like your boss, because for example, these are my people, my boss. For me, I think like anything that they are to do, you understand, should be in line.
You cannot think like that.
For me,
See, you do not have the freedom and the luxury to think like that. That's the point. You are not coming from high school.
Yes.
Fresh from high school. You are not someone that has no idea about what was going on. So let me take you back. In 2020, you made some significant withdrawals from the account. At some point, $26,000 is, because I am just skipping the small figures.
Okay.
Then you made another $25,000 in February. There was another 22 in the same month. You come back, you see 31,000 in March. And again, I'm skipping because there are so many withdrawals. You have in April $100,000 in your name. Remember, in this year, you were the procuring officer.
Yes.
And that is why it is sensitive. You were the procuring officer who is supposed to serve some kind of a check and balance in the area council.
Yes.
But even though you told us, to a certain extent, we understand that there were influences in the procurement process. But when it comes to payment of to suppliers to the form of cash, you are the very one that they give check to.
Yes.
So how do you balance that?
Yes, so this is what I don't understand, because at that material point in time, what I was always asked, you understand, Jaune, okay, please come, and then they give me check, you understand, go you withdraw, it's for the various payment, you understand. But some of these things, to be honest with you, I don't know, you understand.
But if you do not know, why do you do it?
Yes, because I don't know.
So,
something that you don't know.
Have you been conducting payments to vendors or suppliers?
This is what I'm saying. In my testimony, I mentioned there sometime director gave me money sometime on to settle some of the supply on his behalf, but not all, because when these investigators they even come there, so it was push and pull with him that I told him categorically clear that you are the people who sent me for this thing. To be honest, at that point in time, I don't know anything about this thing, and I was not expecting such things will emerge, you understand? So, and they basically, when they came there for their second times also, this is what I also told them, you understand? Even for him also, he went there for some of verification, but then at that point in time, something like Dabo, Mr. Dabo, called Mr. Dabo. Mr. Dabo told me that, okay, Jaune, I don't think that we should have left Edu to go, you understand? Then they call him so that he can able to, make sure that all this money, how they were spent, and how, the purpose of their withdrawal. But at that point in time, to be honest with you, Council, I don't know that these are some of the implications that will emerge.
You don't know this are the what?
These are this will be the implication that will emerge.
You should.
Yes.
The point is, it would not be accepted from a man of your caliber.
I understand.
In all fairness, you have a certain degree of education in relation to finances. So it will be difficult for anyone to accept that you have no knowledge whatsoever. But like I said, in 2020, you were the procuring officer. In fact, the sole individual responsible for procurement. So if we are to believe you that their interference with your unit has nothing to do with you agreeing to that, how do we reconcile that with they giving you checks for you to conduct payments, which is outside your domain? How do you think you will convince us? That's my point.
Yes, to be honest, what you are saying and where you are relying, like ignorance is not an excuse, you understand, to the law. I accept that, you understand. But at this particular point in time, to be honest, I don't know that this kind of such thing will emerge.
So were you given payment vouchers?
Payment vouchers? No, I've never been given payment vouchers.
You only given checks to withdraw?
Yes.
So nothing accompanies these checks?
Whether nothing accompanies.
Like supporting documents?
So
accompany the check. If the check is for the payment of, for example, a particular vendor, it must have supporting documents.
Yes, the supporting document that we're able to retrieve them, you understand, like what the then finance director say was due for these payments, you understand. So those documents, we retrieve those documents.
What do you mean you retrieve? What do you mean you were
like we're able to have those documents?
We as in who?
Huh?
Who?
What who?
You said we are able to have those documents. I don't understand what you're trying to say.
I was able to, because director, he knew, you understand?
He knew what?
He knew.
Sorry, Mr. Jowney, are you really listening to the evidence that you are giving to us? You said you knew. You have told us that you know nothing about, no process is being done in terms of procurement. They just write to you check, and you go to the bank and withdraw the money and come and give it to CEO and Director of Finance. Is that not what you told them?
Yes.
So now, this 1.5 million, 1,508,316 dollars that you withdrew from the account. If we tell you to bring the vouchers for all these withdrawals, will you be in a position to bring it to the commission?
Yes, during some of them are there.
Some of them are there.
Yes, some of them are there.
At the council.
Council, yes.
So please note, bring us all the voucher transaction of this 1,508,316 dollars. Council, you may proceed. Write it. We will want these vouchers by next week.
Can you write down what you've been asked to bring?
Now, just to make it simpler for you, for Standard Chartered Bank, you withdrew 114,550. For Trust Bank, you withdrew 409,900. For Ajib Bank, you withdrew $4,000. For Supersonic, you withdrew 20,000. For GT Bank, you withdrew 46,500. For Vista Bank, you withdrew $9,000. For Eco Bank, you withdrew 904,366. So these are the transactions, the vouchers for these transactions you will bring for us by end of next week, Friday.
The vouchers we got is pertaining to this 1.3 million.
You said? The vouchers you got?
The vouchers, what the Director of Finance said, like the money I withdrew, you understand,
yes,
was meant for this 1.3 million.
Yes, that is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, okay, all right.
If you add all that together, it will give you 1.508 316.
Okay, I will.
I was just trying to simplify it for you.
Okay,
So
no
that
problem.
for you to locate the vouchers, it will be easy for you.
Okay, no problem.
All right, thank you. Council, you may proceed.
Yes, just to conclude with you, regarding all these withdrawals,
Okay.
I just want to find out what is your relationship with the finance director and the CEO? How will you explain your relationship with them? Do you have any personal relationship with them?
No, my relationship number one with finance director was not very cordial.
How comes?
Yeah, because he is the finance director. He should be in the better position to advise the council based on the finance issues. You
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
So during the time of executing this project that we have highlighted before, I made several recommendations to them. You understand? That was during the time I was advising them basically, let us not try to embark on this project because this project, they are huge. And then as far as council is concerned, you people are always saying we don't have money, and you are the people who are the signatory to the account. You understand? So let's not embark on this thing. You understand? For him, also, he was insisting that we have to, Jawne, you don't know anything about finance. We are the people, as far as finance is concerned, that they are the people who have that idea in finance. You understand? So for them, they can able to execute this project. You understand? So that's what he told me. So several times, I know, if we have that meeting, I do always tell the same thing, absolutely. So he was not advising us accordingly. You understand? So there was one material point in time, CEO himself called me and told me because that project, we should also embark on one project called Manekunda Concrete Road. And that Manekunda Concrete Road, that alone costs more than 18 million plus. So I was thinking about if we embark on that also, how council is going to be, you understand? But for him, he was saying, let's embark on all these things. As far as council is concerned, they are in the better position to know that, you know, they can able to pay because he is the one who can able to analyze the financial situation of council. You
Now,
understand?
yes. Now let me ask you a question, Mr. Jaune. When last did you realize that these withdrawals were wrong? You should not be collecting these checks. These checks in order. Let me put it this way: the finance director and the CEO should not be writing checks in your name to go and withdraw and give them cash. When did you realize that it was wrong?
This was the time after this audit. When did this
audit finish?
Yes, when this audit finished.
When did the audit finish?
Exactly.
When did it finish?
This finished around 2022 October.
2022 October.
October, yes.
So you knew that it was very wrong.
During that time also, report was not sent to Basse Area Council, but immediately the report was sent to Basse Area Council. I found out that obviously I did this transaction for council without, due diligence, and then I don't know anything about it. So that was the time, to be honest.
So that was in 2022?
Yeah, that was, I can say, 2022.
That is 2022?
Yes, so.
When you knew that these transactions were...
I'm doing something, but that is very illegally.
That is very illegal?
Illegally, yes.
So when last did you do withdrawal from any of the banks? Is it in 2022 or in 2023?
Whether last?
Yes.
Okay. I remember at one point in time.
No, when last did you do any transaction, withdrawals particularly, from the banks? Because you have told me that in 2022, after the system audit, you knew that them giving you a check to go and cash and give them the cash amount is wrong.
Yes.
So when last did they give you check to go and withdraw and give them cash?
No, at this point in time, I cannot recall.
So there was no transaction. After 2022, you did not do any transactions in the banks?
No, I don't think so.
Are you sure?
Unless the report saw it, but I'm not
No,
aware.
report did not show it. It is your activity that saw it.
Okay,
Your
for me, I don't think after the system audit report was sent,
What happened on the 31st of January 2023?
31st of
January 2023.
31st of January 2023.
Yes.
2023, I could remember that we had a trip to Combo here pertaining to we should attend this FPAC.
Yeah.
FPAC.
Yeah.
So I could remember they also wrote allowance for us, that is the traveling.
How much was the allowance?
If I don't forget, I think around 4,000.
$4,000.
Yes.
It was $4,000.
If I don't forget, yeah.
It was your allowance.
Yeah.
And there is a voucher to show that it was allowance that was paid to you.
You know, allowance, yes. Allowance is this finance that is responsible for it. So for me, we write.
No, but if you are to be paid allowance, you sign.
Yes.
You sign a document showing that a voucher was raised for you to be paid allowance.
Yes.
The reason for paying you the money would be stated there.
Yes, exactly.
Before the check is drawn. Is that not the case?
Exactly.
You do accounting. Me, I'm not an accountant.
Yes, exactly.
Is that not the
yeah,
process?
that's the procedure.
So if I ask you to bring me that voucher, would you be able to bring for me the voucher?
Then I can find out.
And are you sure it is 4,000?
This is what I'm saying. I think around 4,000.
It's around 4,000.
Yes.
Okay, please bring the voucher to evidence that it was for the purposes of paying allowance.
Okay.
And let me just put it to you. It is not 4,000. It is 4,500.
Okay. Thank
that
you.
you withdrew.
Okay. Thank
the
you.
check was written in your name and you withdrew it.
Okay.
In 2023, after knowing that these transactions are wrong.
Yes.
And what other transaction can you remember?
What other transaction I can remember?
In 2023.
Actually, I cannot recall.
You cannot recall?
Yes.
You cannot recall what happened in February?
February.
Yes. You did not do any transaction at the same EcoBank in February?
February 2023.
Yes.
Yes, this February 2023.
On the 10th of February 2023. You cannot recall?
No, exactly, I cannot recall.
You did transactions with EcoBank. A check was written in your name. Please provide the details of that transaction, the voucher.
2023, yeah?
Yes, 10th of February 2023. And every other transaction that you have done in 2023.
You say that 4,500 was which date?
It was 31st of January 2023. And please provide us with all the transactions that you have done in 2023.
Okay.
And all the 7 banks that you have listed and you have been withdrawing money from.
Okay. So this one, the first one is 4,500, huh?
Yes, if you bring the voucher, if you
Okay,
the
no
voucher,
problem.
you
All
will be
right,
able
no,
to
no
confirm
problem.
that.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.
Thank you. Council, are you done with the vote?
Yes. So for these monies that you have withdrawn, your evidence is that some you will give to the finance director, and some you will use it to pay for to pay suppliers or vendors. Is that correct?
I say I give all money to him. You understand?
All the monies to him.
All the money is to him. So he is the one who gave me some to make sure that to at least settle this other supplier on his behalf. That's what I say, on his behalf.
On his behalf.
But, yes, but I'm not the one.
Will you normally have, let's say, documentation or a book where you record the people you will give these monies to?
This money, very few suppliers, in fact, I can recall that I was giving monies whereby I go and then give it to those various suppliers. But
Did you record it anywhere?
No, I don't record it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure, because, he is the one who is paying pay master. So
Let me show you a document to actually try and ascertain whether you prepared this document by any chance. Those payments, it may ring a bell. Is that correct? You may actually recall that you may have you might have made those payments to suppliers. Do you recall?
yes, I can recall this.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was that for?
These were a payment for the various suppliers.
Who made those payments?
Who make these payments?
You.
Who make these payments?
Yes.
Yeah, let me see. Well,
But you just told us you can recall this
yes,
this particular document. You recognize the document.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. So tell us
Yes,
about,
yes.
about the
I'm
document.
the one whereby money is given to me to give the supplier. The one that I tick.
Yes.
The one that I tick. Yes.
So you prepared this document and you paid those suppliers.
Yeah, because a director told me that these are the payments. You understand? So as far as it is concerned, then I make it like this way so that CEO can also see it like these are the people that should be paid. You understand?
What is the total amount of money that were paid to suppliers?
Here 500, 200, 350, 150, 950, and 560, 750. So the one that were a tick. So those are the payments.
Can you just do as a quick calculation of the monies that you made that you paid to suppliers? Quickly. It is not much, I think. So you can do it quickly.
It's 3,420.
3,000?
420.
420.
Yes.
But why did you now tell the commission that you did not prepare any document in relation to payments you have made to suppliers? When I asked you initially.
Yes, when you asked me initially, this is what I have said, and then that's what I have said also, because this one was at the finance level, you understand? These are the payments, you understand, that they want to pay, you understand? So then therefore, I also prepared this thing as sometime evidence, you understand?
That's my point. You prepared this document.
Yes.
They will give you a list of the people to pay, and you will prepare this particular document.
For me, because when the time that was happened, you understand?
Let's just get the facts correct.
Yes.
The finance department or that director will give you a list of the people or suppliers that you have to pay. Is that not the case?
I say sometime on his behalf, yes.
Yes, it cannot be everything.
Yes.
Now, when you pay those people, in fact, before you pay them, you will now make a list like this and then have like a checklist as to the people that came forth for their payments. Is that correct?
Council, if you can hear me very well, I say this one.
Yes.
You understand? It's my writing. I'm the one who wrote it. You understand? But this was based on something like they said that these are the payments that
I
have to
understand
be
that.
happened.
I understand. I'm just trying to aid the commissioners to understand the facts.
Yes.
Surrounding these payments.
Yes. So these payments,
Just wait a minute.
I'm seeing it here. You
Yes.
understand? Money is given to me to pay for
Yes.
these people. You understand? Yes.
My point is,
Yes.
the finance director, upon you going to the bank to withdraw money,
Yes.
you will, let's say he assigns you to go and withdraw through check, let's say $100,000, and you
Yes.
come back and probably he'll give you $50,000 or something like that,
Yes.
any amount,
Yes.
and tell you need to pay Mr. A, Madam Y, and X this amount of money.
Yes.
So all you do is you go and prepare this document, and you make those payments. Is that not the case?
No, that is not the case.
So,
For this one,
explain to us how you prepare this document.
yes, how I prepare this document, because it comes like during the time these investigators, they went there, you understand? So, and the testimony that I gave, you understand? So then finance director was there, that is Mr. Edu, you understand? So there, when I'm the first guy who gave my testimony to them, you understand? So then later, he asked me, because when those people, they call him, he went there, you understand? So that was the time. Then he told me that, but John, what you told these people, you should have not said that one, you understand? We should have seen one another and then discuss and then see way forward, you understand?
Who said that?
That is Mr. Edu, you understand?
Mr. Who?
Who is Mr. Edu?
Babkar Kante.
Babakar Kante. He said to you that what you told the investigators.
Yes, I should not.
That is a wait a minute. That is a system audit.
Yes, this system audit.
That what you told them, you should not have told them.
Yes, because you know, these monies, you understand, these were for the various payments, you understand.
What did you tell the investigators that he thinks you should not have told them?
He?
What did you tell the investigators at that time that he thinks you should have seen him first before you tell that to the investigators?
Yeah, because based on pertaining to this withdrawal that I made.
Yes. What did you tell them?
Yes, because I told them that I'm sent by them, you understand?
Yes.
That down ago you withdraw this thing, you understand?
Yes.
And I'm their junior, you understand? So I don't know any idea about, and then I don't know any financial implication. But if I withdrew the money, I brought it to them, you understand? And both CEO and that of the director, they are all aware of it, you understand? Yes. So when those people also call him to give, for him also to give his testimony, so then they also asked him that pertaining to what I say, you understand? So that was the time he then come to me and then told me, but Jaune, you should not say those things, you understand? I told him, what, you understand? He told me that, but you know this withdrawal, some of this withdrawal, I give money to you, you go and then settle those suppliers, you understand? I told him that, Mr. Kante, to be honest with you, you understand? You write check in my name, I go and then withdraw, you understand? But based on that, you are the people who prioritize the payments, you understand? So based on that one, so then I know that if I am from bank, I give monies to you, you understand? So then he also tried to find out, you understand? That was the evidence because, you know, CEO was...
Now, Mr. Kante, let me get it straight.
Jaune.
So, this document, you made it.
Yes, I made it.
Were you instructed to make this document to provide for evidence to the investigators?
Either I am.
I said this document.
Yes.
You made it to provide evidence to the investigators that you were paying this money to people?
Yes, I can try. This was 26/4/2020.
I don't think they will understand.
You did not get my question. I said, this document.
Okay.
This document, you made it when the investigators came, right?
This document?
Yes.
This one, huh?
When did you make, let me put it this way, when did you make this document? Was it when the council, or was it before?
No, I think this was before.
No, you cannot think because you made the document.
Then this was before because I did not submit this thing to them. I didn't submit this thing to them.
This was the 6th of April,
Yes.
2020.
Yes.
When were the auditors at the council?
Auditors.
Yes. When did they go to the council?
2022, around September.
2022.
Yes.
I'm not talking about this. Before even the system audit.
Internal audit.
Yes, the internal audit. When did they go to the?
That's what I'm saying.
2022.
2022. They audited 2020, 2021, and basically 2022. But they went there during 2022, around September.
That is not correct, Mr. Jaune, with all due respect. That cannot be correct. They did not go there 2022. Is that not?
2022.
They did not go there in 2022.
So when do you think they went there?
Eh?
When you think they went there?
No, you tell me the correct date because everything is on record here. So I just want to.
For me,
to tell. If you don't know, you tell us you don't know. But you don't give us wrong information. Because before the system audit, there was an internal audit that was done.
This internal audit, that what was the system audit, Ma?
No, before the system audit, there was already an audit done before the system audit.
No, what I...
After the audit that was done, it was that audit that informed the system audit. Is that not the case?
Then I'm not aware of it. What I knew is that internal audit from the ministry went there around September 2022.
Okay.
Yes.
Just hold on a minute. In 2021, were the auditors not at your office?
2021.
Yes.
No, I cannot recall. What I can recall is that around this 2022, they came their internal audit.
In 2021, the auditors were in your office to audit the council. In 2017 and 2018, they were also in your council, and they finished and submitted their report on the 21st of June 2019 for the 2017 and 2018 financial year. They did an audit report. They also did another one which they submitted on the 6th of May 2021. They did an audit of the Basse Area Council for the year ended 31st December 2019. And they now did the system audit for 1st of January 2020 to 30th of December 2022. So they could not have gone
1st of January?
1st of January 2020. So they could not have gone to your...
This system audit?
Yes.
No. This system audit happened, I think that was what I'm saying, 2022. That was around September. What they audit was 2020 because what I understand is that council themselves request for this audit. You understand? So for them to come and audit the financial strength of council.
It is not a problem. We will take your evidence. So you said the system audit, the auditors went there in 2022.
2022.
That is your evidence.
Yes, that's my evidence.
All right. So now you are saying that you wrote this thing on the 6th of April 2020.
Yes.
That time the auditors were not in the council. They did not go to the council.
No, at that time they did not go there.
So why did you have the need to write this as you did and have a total of 7,020?
Yes, as far as this procurement is concerned, I knew these are some of the these were some of the procurement that were raised, but according to them, is that we don't have money for all to pay it. So these were some of this one, because I went this thing to director himself, so that he can prioritize which one he can able to pay. So those are the ones that were being taken here. So this is what I can understand.
So when you do a list, he will prioritize the people that he needs to pay?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yes.
And then you will go and collect the money and come and pay the ones that are prioritized?
Yes, I say not all the time that I'm sent money. I'm sent to bank to withdraw and then come and then pay these suppliers.
But
no.
We have seen so much volume of transaction.
Yes, because
where you have withdrawn money.
Yes, because I'm saying like they send me, they draw the check in my name, but some of those even huge amount of money, I don't know. I don't know. You understand? Because for him during the time of he was also trying to give his testimony, what he used to tell those people, these are for the Jariga Camara payment, and this one he sent me to go and withdraw this thing is for drilling of these things. So, but basically
Now,
I cannot establish.
Let me put it to you that you wrote this list and backdated it. Is that not the correct evidence? Remember, you swore to the Quran to tell the truth. Didn't you backdate this?
No, to be honest with you, I am here to say the whole truth.
No,
but
I just want you to answer. Didn't you backdate this
list? I did not backdate this thing, to be honest.
Thank you.
Yes.
Counsel,
Yes, so we will apply to tender the document as identified by the witness. Can you guide us, which year did you prepare that? Is it 2020, 2021? Do you recall?
This was prepared 2020.
2020. Can we have it? We applied to tender a document which purports to be payments made by the witness to various suppliers or vendors, dated the 6th day of April 2020, into evidence as an exhibit.
where is the original of this document?
This one. Anyway, this one is being photocopied.
We got this through investigations and not from the
From
witness.
him?
Yes.
What is the last exhibit number? 003? A handwritten. Yes. A handwritten document by the witness, Mohammed Jawane, dated the 6th of April 2020, is hereby admitted in evidence and marked as LGC/MJ/BSAC/004.
As the commission places. Just last question. Do you have any other document, just like this one, which shows payment you have made to suppliers or vendors or any individual from the area council as perhaps maybe directed to you by the finance director or department or CEO at the time, as the case may be? Do you have any apart from this one?
No, I don't have anything with me here.
No, how about back home? Is this just a document you have prepared throughout in relation to effecting payments to people?
Yeah, you are asking whether I have similar
similar
document like this. You understand?
Yes.
This is what I'm saying. I don't have similar document.
This is only one.
But it could be. I may raise another one that is different from this thing. But at the point in time, I don't. It's not with me, right?
No. Do you recall? Preparing? How many times?
Yes. Sometime I can recall if there are payment. You understand?
I am trying to help you because if you look at the volume of withdrawals you have made.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
From various accounts.
Yes.
These are like millions of dollars that you were giving check to in various situations and so on and so forth. But then, and you withdraw this monies from various banks.
Yes.
Now, just going by this document alone, this is only evidence of payment.
Yes.
If we are to believe it, because there's no counter signature from any supplier or vendor to actually ascertain that they have received monies from you.
Exactly.
Anyone can prepare this, but I just want to go by it for now. But
Yes.
even if you are to go by this, that yes, it's true you have made payments to individuals, even though they didn't sign anything, but then if you minus that from the withdrawals entirely, like it goes no issue. It will be very insignificant. Do you understand the point?
Yes.
Because, for example, if you withdraw about $1 million in one bank account of the area council, and there's evidence of payment of about $5,000, that is a non-starter.
Yes.
So will you be able to provide other documents like this?
Yes, what I'm saying, it could be I prepare document like this, you understand?
But you don't know.
But exactly, it's not with me. But it could be because sometimes, like if there are going to be various payment, you understand? Like I say, director will call me, you understand, including CEO. Then they told me, okay, these are the people that we supposed to embark to pay them. You understand?
You just call them, you pay, and then you take.
Yeah. So from there, then I will also make sure then I write it. Then the one that I paid, then I take it so that I can also have it as a reference. But
When they come back and say that you haven't paid them,
do you?
let's say someone comes back and says that you haven't paid them any amount of money, what will be your evidence?
The supplier or?
Yes, any supplier will come and say, you have not paid me money.
No, any money that is given to me, you understand?
Yes.
I make sure that then that supplier able to have the money, you understand?
No, I understand that.
Yes.
Let's assume I am the supplier. You have been asked to pay me $10,000, and you have paid me, and you marked that in your your name list or your checklist, and you just mark that you have already paid Patrick Gomez this amount of money. How can you now, if I come back and say, well, you have never paid me, what will be your evidence?
What will be my evidence?
Yes.
Sir, I think that will be something to explain it here. Because what happened is that what I knew is that authority is being given to me, Jaune, go you withdraw. But most of this payment, to be honest, I'm not aware. And some of the payment that I am aware, then they will call me, these are going to be the people that we are to pay them. So that was the time normally I also prepare, a list like this, you understand? And that list then, so that I can keep it. But for him...
That's all for this witness, Honorable Chairperson and Commissioners. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
You are asked to produce...
Dauda, I said mic, please. Last time I had told you that you have to say microphone, please. Yes. That's more polite, huh?
You were asked to produce some documents, so please endeavor to produce them by next week.
Okay.
You are for the time being discharged. And before I discharge you, how many banks do you have as your personal banks?
Me?
Yes. Which is, from which of the banks are you paid your salary?
Ajib.
Ajib.
Yes.
Can you provide us with your statements from Ajib Bank?
Bank statement?
Yes, from 2018 to today.
2018 to date?
Yes, so you'll go to Ajib Bank and request your bank statement from 2018 to today. Do you have a savings account?
Yes, I have saving account.
Yes, so produce, with which bank are you saving?
Ajib Bank.
Ajib Bank.
Yes.
Produce your savings account from 2018 to date.
Okay.
All right? So, but that you can produce tomorrow before close of the day. All right?
Close of the day, okay.
Yes, you just go to any Ajib Bank and ask for them to give you your statement.
Okay.
Okay?
So I have
we'll
to...
expect your statements by tomorrow before close of working day.
Tomorrow, what time?
By 4, before 4.
Okay.
All right. You are, for the time, being discharged.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. Can you, Registrar, can you please call the next witness?
There is document that I gave it to them, so I don't know. That is pertaining to this. Yes, I need a copy of it. Okay, then let me have the copy then.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Please, you may kindly sit down. And welcome back to this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and Related Matters for continuation of your testimony before this commission. Mr. Witness, please be reminded that you are still under oath. Thank you. Madam Chair, over to you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Manku.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You are welcome back.
Thank you.
Council, can we proceed, please?
Mr. Mane,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm fine.
It is good to have you back
Thank you.
after a long period of being absent.
Thank you.
How is Basse?
Bose is fine.
Yes, so you're called today primarily to discuss the issue of your personal accounts,
Okay.
bank accounts,
Okay.
and any other matter the commissioners may want to discuss with you.
Okay.
So to start with the primary issue, how many banks do you bank with again?
2.
2.
Yes.
Can you give us the names of the banks?
Trust Bank and GT Bank. Yes.
It's your salary account,
Trust Bank.
Trust Bank.
Yes.
And then the GT Bank, is it current or savings?
Savings.
Savings. Now, let me ask you, how much are you paid a month?
After all my deductions, I'm left with $5,533.
$5,900?
$933. $33.
What grade are you again?
Grade 5.8.
Grade 5.8.
Yes.
Now, we have examined your...
Please,
We have-
can you tell me again, 5,000 after deduction?
$5,933.
Yes,
$933.
$933.
Yes.
That, yes, you can proceed. I got the amount.
Let me show you your Trust Bank and GT Bank banking transactions,
Okay.
the bank details.
All right.
So these statements, can you please have a look at these statements? Will that be your Trust Bank and your GT Bank? Statement of account?
Yes.
Let me have them. Honorable Commissioners, Madam Chairperson, we apply to tender the statement of account of the witness, Manku Mane, of Trust Bank, dated the 7th of September 2023. And the one for GT Bank, dated the 6th of September 2023, into evidence as an exhibit.
the Trust Bank account of Mankumane, dated the 7th of September 2023, covering the period 1st of May 2018 to March 2023, and Mankumane's Trust GT Bank account, dated the 6th of September 2023, covering the period 4th of May 2018 to 6th of September 2023, is hereby admitted in evidence and marked in a bundle marked as LGC/MM/BSAC/007.
As the commission places, may we have exhibit 007 in relation to the GT Bank account? So statements of account.
They are admitted in a bundle.
Yes. Can we? May the witness be shown the exhibit 007. Now, please try to focus on the GT Bank account. That is your personal account.
Yes.
Now, you will see that there were various deposits of monies in the account where you were making series of deposits in the GT Bank account. In fact, I think the total would be somewhere close to $400,000. First, let me start in 2018, 15 August 2018. You made no deposit in the council's account, and this period you were doing revenue collection. Is that not the case?
What?
In 2018, you were a revenue collector.
Yes, I was a revenue collector. Yeah.
But on the 15th of August,
Yes.
all the way to the 18th and 26th of December 2018,
Yes.
you made no deposits from any revenue that might have been collected.
Okay.
Is that true?
Yes.
Why was that?
Okay. If you see any time I don't deposit, maybe I have made no collection. That's why.
But in your account, you have deposited about $90,000 on 11th of December, 2018.
Okay.
Do you see that?
90,000.
Yes.
Yes.
Where did that money come from?
Okay. Yeah. Sometimes I will send. They will send me remittances.
They will send you
Remittances
from
Europe.
From Europe.
Yeah, exactly.
But this is not saying from Europe. Can you read to us who made that deposit?
Yes, this is what I'm saying.
Who made that deposit as per the statement of account?
Okay, 90,000, huh?
Yes. Who deposited that amount of money in your personal bank account? You will see it there.
Myself.
So why are you telling us it is a remittance from Europe?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, like when a money is sent to me,
Yes.
I will take the money and then go and deposit it into my personal account.
Now tell me,
Yes.
this particular deposit
Yes.
or that you made in your account,
Yes.
GT Bank account, where was that money coming from? Don't give me any hypothesis or any form of imaginary situation.
Okay.
It is a factual situation now. Where
Yes.
did that money come from?
Yes, this is what I'm saying. The money is a remittance from Europe.
From whom?
I have so many people that will send me money.
My friend, tell us where the money is coming from.
Yeah, I said the money is coming from Europe. It's a remittance.
But then who sent you the money?
Yes.
Yes, what?
This is what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
But they will send me money, and I will have the money. When the money is not being used, I will put it into my bank account for such a time. But the person who sent the money will instruct me on how to go about it.
I agree. Let's say I agree.
Okay.
They send me money all the time. All of us here.
Yes.
There are people who may send us money. Now it's just for you to tell us who sent you money and how the money was sent.
Okay. Yeah, different people send me different money. Like I have my younger brother.
Manko, listen.
Okay.
Listen. You've made so much drama
Okay.
when you appeared last.
Okay.
We enjoyed it. It was nice.
Okay.
This time around, it is no fun. Do you understand the point?
Yes.
Do you understand that?
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Who you were sent money from Europe.
Yes.
I am saying I agree with you.
Okay.
Now, who sent you the money?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. But I have 3 to 4 people who will send me money.
Manko, I have 100 people who send me money.
Okay.
Who sent you that money?
The one who sent me that money was my auntie.
Give us a name.
Jabu Mane.
What?
Jabu Mane.
Jabu.
Yes, Jabu Mane.
Jabu.
Yes, Mane. Yes.
Mane.
Yes.
She sent you how much?
Huh?
How much did she send you?
She sent me almost about $93,000.
$93,000.
Yes, exactly.
And then what was the money meant for?
Huh?
What was the money meant for?
Okay, this money. Okay, but that was some time
You see,
ago.
you have to stop thinking.
Okay.
If it is true, you will
Yes.
say it.
Yes.
Do you understand the point?
Yes. I
Stop
understand.
imagining things, looking at the ceiling. Answer the question. Simple.
Okay.
What was the money meant for?
The money was yes. This is what I wanted to explain. The money that was sometime.
See, listen to me.
Okay.
Anytime you do that,
Okay.
we all can see
Okay.
you are trying to think in your head what
Okay.
answer to give. Do you understand?
Okay.
So don't do that again, please. What was the money meant for?
The money was meant for my mother.
For your
mother.
For your mother.
Yeah, exactly.
All the money was meant for your mother.
Yes, for my mother. Yeah, exactly.
How was the money sent?
How was the money sent?
Yes.
The money was sent to.
So you repeat, the money was sent.
Yes, the money was sent.
Yes.
Through me. Then I cashed the money.
How was it sent? Was it sent through the air?
No. It wasn't
Did
sent
they
to me.
did they ship the money?
No.
How was the money sent?
The money was sent to me.
Mr. Mane,
Yes.
the money was not sent to me.
Yeah.
How was this money sent?
Okay.
Was it through RIA, through MoneyGram? How was the money sent?
Okay, the money was sent through local transfer.
Local transfer.
Exactly.
Who was the local? Who was the dealer?
The local dealer.
Yes. Yes.
The local dealer.
Yes.
I don't think I can remember his name.
No, you
but
cannot remember.
Yes, I can't
You
remember
can
his
never
name.
ever remember.
Yes, I can because.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Here against the next 10 years, you will never ever remember.
Okay.
Because you are not speaking the truth. Mr. Mane,
Yes.
let's start all over again. Who sent you this money?
I said it was sent to me by my auntie,
What is your aunt's name?
Jabu Mane,
Jabu Mane from which country?
from Holland.
From Holland.
Yes.
When did Jabu Mane send this money to you?
I cannot remember the date.
How much was sent?
93,000 was sent.
90,000
93,000
in
was
dollars or in
I received it in dollars.
which currency?
Huh?
Which currency?
I received it in Gambian dollars.
In dollars.
Yeah, exactly.
Holland, what denomination do they use?
They use euro.
They use
Euro.
the euro.
Yeah, exactly.
And then you see the money in dollars.
Exactly.
And the money was meant for who?
Was meant for my mother.
Meant for your mother.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
was sent to a local dealer.
Yeah, a local dealer. Exactly.
And you know the name of the local dealer?
Yeah, exactly.
Does the local dealer have an office?
No, he doesn't have an office.
No office.
Yes.
So if you are to trace the local dealer, how will we trace him?
Well, for now it will be difficult for me to trace it out because it is a long time.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so it will be difficult to trace the money as
Yeah.
well. So since we cannot trace the local dealer, we cannot trace where the $90,000 came from.
Yes.
Yes. And you think you are smart? Let's do the same exercise with the others and see. Now, Manko, that was 90K. Now, 1st January 2019, 28th February 2019, no deposits were made in the council account by you. Remember, you were a collector, revenue collector. Is that not the case?
Yeah, exactly.
Now, you deposited in 9th January 2019 $63,000.
Yes.
Now, tell me about that.
$3,000.
Yes.
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 These are all money coming from my auntie.
From
My auntie.
Jabu Mane.
Jabu Mane, exactly.
Meant for who?
Meant for my mother.
Do you want us to call your mother?
Huh?
Do you want us to call your mother here?
Yes.
Is that what you're doing?
If you wish, you can call my mother. Yeah.
To come and testify. $63,000.
Uh-huh.
So who was it? How was it sent?
Yeah, that one, it was sent through my younger brother, and then my younger brother sent it through me.
Who is your younger brother?
My younger brother is Alaji Bambo Mane.
Alaji Bamamane. Where is your younger brother?
My younger brother is living in currently he is in Combo here.
Combo.
Yeah, exactly.
Why did your aunt not send you this money directly?
Okay.
Just like the last time with the dealer that no one can find.
Okay, yeah. You know, okay, there was a time, okay, when we sold 2 plots of our land.
Why did your aunt not send you the money directly?
Yeah, sometimes he will, I'm link with my younger brother, then my younger brother will link through me.
But why? Your younger brother lives in Combo.
Yes.
And your mother lives where?
Basse.
In Basse.
Yeah.
And you live in Basse.
Yeah, exactly.
So which one makes sense? To send you the money directly or through your brother?
He will send the money.
Which one is easier?
No, you know, this one sometimes he will.
I'm asking you,
Okay.
which one is easier? To send the money through you straight or
Yeah.
through your brother in Combo?
Maybe, you know, the one he feel easy was to send it to my.
I'm asking you, which one is easier?
Which one is easier?
Yes.
I think both of them can be easy.
So when she sends the money to your brother here,
Yes.
your brother will now withdraw the money
Yes.
and now send it to you over there.
Yes.
Why can't she just send it to you directly in Basse?
Well, you know, I don't know why, you know, sometimes was she doing that, but that's how she normally do it sometimes.
That is how?
She normally do it sometimes.
Now, can you give us the
now ask, how did your brother now send the money to you? How did you receive it in Basse?
Yeah, my brother will send it to me through my account.
He will send it through to your account.
My
Which of your accounts?
Huh?
Which
My
of
GT Bank account.
And this is in January.
Huh?
This is in January.
Yes.
Now go through your GT account and check January whether we receive any transfer from your brother Alaji Bambo Mane. Check, please.
In January. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yes. No, I haven't seen it. It's not there, yes. No, yes, yes.
What I'm saying is that you are not telling the commission the truth with respect to your brother sending you this money through your account.
Yeah, maybe, you know.
No, just
yeah,
it's yes, right?
Yeah, that is
Thank
true.
you, it's yes. All right, Council, you can proceed.
Mr. Bane,
Yes,
so this $63,000 is,
yes.
who deposited that to your account?
This is $3,000. Let me see.
Now, wait a minute, look, Mr. Bane,
Uh-huh.
can you hand me over that exhibit, please? The registrar will hold the exhibit. If I ask you a question, you answer, and then we'll show you the exhibit.
Okay.
Who deposited that amount of money in your account? You can just stand there. I will instruct you to show it to him. Who deposited the amount of money in your account?
But maybe it could be myself.
Who deposited the amount of money in the GT Bank account?
Yeah, I said it could be myself.
That's not like it could be.
Okay, then it is myself.
Very simple.
Okay.
Now, you said your brother transferred you the money in your account. So that wasn't true, as you've already agreed to.
Yeah. But then there was a time.
You know, I had told, there was a time?
There was a time he transferred me an amount. I don't know where 20,000 but there was a time he transferred me a money from his account to my account.
How much?
I don't know, but if it was not 63,000, then
relax.
yeah. If it was not 63,000.
Mr. Bane,
Yes.
you see, your problem is You want to have a certificate of lying. That's your only problem. That's your only problem. You know, sometimes people will come here and then they will be lying in bits and pieces. You want to be systematic. Do you see the point? For every answer, you want to have a lie in response to the answer, in response to the question. And that's your only problem. That's your only problem. Even if I ask you your name, you can even tell me your name is not Mankumane. Why is that? Why is that the case? Why are you doing that?
Lead counsel, counsel rather, these transactions are long, but maybe I may miss the point.
You deposited $63,000 in your account. Where was the money coming from?
What?
Where was the money coming from?
How many thousand?
$63,000 in your account.
Yes.
Where was the money coming from?
Well, this money,
Where did the money come from?
Yes, the money is what I'm trying to explain. But unless you allow me to explain, you will try to get what I'm trying to say.
I have the patience. I have always allowed you to explain.
Good. There was a time.
Yes.
We sold our 2 plots of land.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
We have a lot of grounds to cover. Please let him answer the question so that our.
Where did the money come from?
Well, I can't remember where the money come from.
Samane, you said your aunt sent you the money.
Yes.
But now you can't remember.
Yeah, because these things are long. Like I said, I may not.
Mr. Mane, you said your aunt sent you the money.
Yes.
Now, when you were caught lying or caught misrepresenting the facts that your brother sent you the money in your account, now you change the story. But now you don't know where the money came from. You will move. That's not a problem. You have already told the commission that your salary is $5,000 every month.
Yeah, exactly.
Again, 11th April 2019 to 5th May 2019, no deposits were made in the council's account by yourself, Mankomane. But you deposited $30,000 on the 6th of May 2019 in your own personal account. Sorry, $10,000 was you deposited in your own account. Where was this money coming from?
Yes. Council, this is what I'm trying to say. I receive remittances sometimes to conduct works at home. Sometimes I receive remittances to conduct work from home.
Can you provide us with the evidence of the remittance?
I don't think I can.
The burden is on you.
Yes.
You see, to be honest, I'll be very happy if you can provide documentation to prove this. Because the last thing neither the commissioners nor the councils want is to try to attribute what is not really yours. Do you understand that?
Yeah, exactly.
We will not make any attribution in relation to whether you allocated certain monies or you appropriated certain monies for your own self or so.
Yeah, exactly.
But if you cannot prove it, you sitting down here saying that they were remittances would not solve any problem.
Yeah, okay.
So, the 6th December, you deposited $25,000 in your account. When you made no deposit in council's account the month previous, in December, where did you get the money?
Council, I don't think I can be taking all the same amount of money from council's account without the council knowing it and without taking actions against me. Without council knowing it and without them taking actions against me. But the fact of the matter is,
No. You're saying you could not take all these monies without council knowing.
I said I cannot take all this money.
Yes.
From council's revenue without council deducting it.
Why are you saying that? Am I saying that you're taking this money from council's revenue?
Okay, sorry then.
But then, even if you are saying that now, since you have already brought it up, we know there is lots of financial malpractice.
Yeah, exactly.
You yourself have been going to collect monies during a time you were on your leave.
Exactly.
And going with the finance director to collect money and give the finance director money. So all these allegations were already been investigated and been documented by the auditor. So don't tell me that.
Okay,
you would not have been questioned if you were not engaging in certain. Are you not the same Mr. Mane that had the device in your house?
Yes.
Exactly. So what's your point? Your point is not tenable because in Basel Area Council there is no accountability whatsoever. That's why we are having this. So don't tell us that. Now, again, you deposited 10,000 in March 2021, another $10,000 is in June 2021, 10,000 again. No, $47,000 is in September 2021. How about that amount?
Okay, for
do you recall that?
Yes, I can recall those ones.
Okay.
At the level of the council, we are doing what we call asusu.
Okay.
So every we have yes, yes, we do asusu.
Yes.
So and if you have to collect, you collect $12,000.
Yes.
Each individual.
Yes.
The total will be 24,000. Each will have.
Sorry, Mr. Mane, can you please clearly so that we can get your evidence?
Okay.
Because the way you are speaking and the way you are stammering, we are not getting your evidence very clear.
Okay, sorry for that.
Thank you.
All right. Yes, what I was trying to say was that we conduct asusu in our office there.
Yes.
At our office level.
Yes.
So on this asusu, normally 2 people will collect it. So we have 24 individuals. So that 24 individuals.
24.
Yeah, 24.
Each how much?
Each $12,000.
Okay.
So the duration is from January to December.
December, 12 months.
Yes, 12 months exactly.
Each $12,000 a month.
Yes, each 12. No, we paid 1,000. So the 2 individuals that are collecting will collect 12,000 each.
Can you start again with your ususu?
Okay.
Maybe some people here will want to join.
Okay,
you
yes.
never know.
Yeah, I
Yes.
said we were conducting an asusu in our office.
Yes.
And this asusu comprises of 24 individuals.
Yes.
So, and these 24 individuals, each will pay $1,000 a month.
Yes.
So, after paying $1,000 a month, then 2 people will be given.
Yes.
So, out from the $24,000, 2 people will share each 12,000.
That's 24. You said.
Yes, 24. Yeah.
Now, which month did you have your turn? Which month? Your turn.
My turn.
Yes.
Well, I can't remember, but it's not something constant, Sometimes you have it this, maybe this year you can have it this month.
When were you paid your share?
My share.
Yes.
Yeah, I could not remember, but I could fully remember that 12,000. I deposited 10,000 and then keep the 2,000 with me in my hand.
So you were paid $12,000?
Yeah, $12,000 from the
For the
association.
Ususu?
Yeah,
When was this?
yeah, in 2021 we are talking of.
In 2021?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I did this 2022.
2022.
Yes.
2022. Yeah, even 2022.
No, there's nothing like 2021. I'm telling you, 2022 is when you deposit $12,000. You didn't listen carefully. That's why you thought it was in 2021.
Okay.
You better stop being smart a bit.
Okay.
So you don't know all these monies where they are from, but for the 12,000, you know whether it is 2022 or 2021 is from Ususu.
Yeah. Yes.
Who are the members of this Ususu?
Well, I cannot fully, but even Ndaba was sometimes part of it. This Ndaba.
Ndaba was part of the Ususu?
Yeah, Ndaba was part of the Asusu.
When was this? From which year to which year?
I stopped joining this year.
This year?
This year.
So since when did you start the Ususu?
Asusu, I think, it must be sometimes around 2016, 17.
So
like
Ndaba was part of it, and who else again?
Yeah, Ndaba was part of it. Myself, I was part of it.
Yes.
Yes, and who
controls the Ususu?
Huh?
Who controls the Ususu?
The person who controlled the Asusu was one Mama Barry. One Mama Barry.
Mama?
Barry.
Mama?
Yes, Mamadou Barry.
Mamadou Barry?
Yeah, we call him Mama
Was he a staff?
Yeah, he's a staff of the council.
Is he still there?
Yeah, he's still there, exactly.
In Basel Council, as what?
But he's, I think, he's working with the physical planning.
Is he a staff of Basse Area Council?
Yes, exactly.
What is his role there? His position?
He's working with the physical planning. I don't know what is his role, but he's working with the physical planning.
Very well. So, any quick questions from the commissioners?
Yes, Mr. Manko.
Yes.
On the 9th of September, you made a cash deposit by yourself. I'm putting the facts as stated here.
Okay.
Of $47,000.
Yes.
Is that through a transfer or ususu or whatever? Where did you get that money from?
That money?
Yes, that money.
Yeah. Well, I cannot remember where.
You cannot remember?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, thank you. So is it right for us to assume that you forgot where you got the monies from because you don't want to divulge how you got the money? 47,000 cash? You yourself walked into the bank and paid that money into your account?
That was in which year?
I just told you, 2021.
2021. Which month?
I just told you, September 9th.
Okay, September 9th. Yeah, this is what I want to, because sometimes I don't want to assume.
Mr. Manko, you are stammering because you don't know what you want to say.
No, that's my nature. Anybody who knows me knows that.
But you have answered my question. You don't know how you got the money, but you paid the money into your account.
Yes.
You yourself walked in and paid the money. Okay, thank you.
Anything on that bank statement
Thank you.
is true. Yes.
Mr. Manko, on the same, no, this is in October, 1st of October 2021, you deposited another 10,000. There has been numerous deposits by you in your account.
Yes.
And withdrawals in your statement. This 10,000 also in October. Where did the money come from?
October which year?
2021.
2021. Yes. 10,000, because normally, like I said, also when I collect 12,000, I will deposit $10,000 and then keep $2,000 with me.
The same Osusu that you don't know who is, did you list the name of the members? How many members do you have in the association?
I know about, we have 24 members.
Huh?
24 members.
24 members.
24 members, yeah.
Give us the list.
The list.
Write the names now and give us.
Well, I can remember.
Write it now. We will give you time. Write the names of the 24 members and the numbers that you can remember. Their telephone numbers, if you recall.
Yes, okay.
But write the names. Now, since you have started,
yes.
We will give you time before we close. You complete the list. Now,
okay.
Council, are you done with the GT Bank account?
Yes, basically.
Now, Mr. You can suspend that.
Okay.
Yes, and then you will finish it before we go.
Okay, all right.
You will get it to us before we go. Now, your guaranteed trust bank account. You have had numerous deposits that you have made there.
Yes.
And you have said you receive remittances.
Yes.
And all these remittances come from one person. Is
No.
that your evidence?
No.
And who are the other people that send you money?
But I have an uncle in America.
What is the name of the uncle?
Mamadi Mane.
He also sends you money.
Yes, he's the one who normally
Do
sends me
you
money.
have evidence of the monies you receive from exchange bureaus? Do you have evidence to show the money sent to you?
You know, I have some. I have some. This are not solo, and they are from my younger brother. I received them from.
Louder.
And I received them from a bureau. You have a slip. This is my younger brother in Italy by the name Tunkamane.
Yes.
He sent me $10,500.
Yes. Can we see that? Can you please take that and give it to the council? Please bring everything, and we can correlate that with the amounts of money you deposited in your account. Now, this trust bank account, when did you open this trust bank account?
I think it was in 2015. Okay, and this one also was a remittance from the same brother, Tunkamane, 23,000.
Yes, just produce and give to council. You said, when did you open the trust bank account?
In
2015,
2015, if I can recall.
2015.
Yeah.
What month in 2015?
I can't remember that month, but I guess it was 2015.
Is it 12th of October 2015?
Well, I cannot remember, but I know it's 2015.
Okay. Council, are you done?
Yes. Which date?
Mr.
What? Yes, please proceed.
Mr. Mane,
Yes.
it seems as if you have selective memory.
Okay.
In that you can remember in 2015, you opened an account with Trust Bank,
Yes.
but you cannot remember in 2022 or 2021 where you got those monies from.
Yes.
That is selective memory. You
Okay.
want to remember what you want to say. What you don't want to say, you cannot remember. And the difference is what? 15 to 2022 is 7 years. So 7 years you can remember something 7 years ago, but you cannot remember something that is 2 years ago.
Yes, you are right.
Okay,
But
thank you.
Can I explain?
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay.
Yes. This you've got from Yona Foreign Exchange Bureau.
Exactly.
Which year is this? This year?
Yeah, I think it will be it will happen this year.
Yes, this year,
Yeah.
2023.
Yes.
But all these deposits I confronted you with are in 2022, 2020, 2021.
Yes.
So I don't know what this will support.
No, just to show you that I receive remittance from
No,
people.
I had told you earlier, all of us receive monies from Europe,
Yeah, exactly.
from loved ones.
Exactly.
So, Madam Chairman, this for this year,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
all
it's
this.
not no consequence.
So it is. I don't think it's relevant unless and until the commissioners want to have it. But it's for this year, and it has no bearing on the deposits that we are referring to, Mr. Mane.
Okay.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Yes. Can you give us the details of your aunt? I apologize. You may proceed.
Yeah, no, proceed.
Can you give us the details of your aunt? What is the name is again?
Jabu Mane.
What is her number?
Her number.
Do you have it?
Let me see.
Mr. Mane, the last thing you will tell us is that you don't have that number. For someone who sends you money frequently, That will not be very much convincing there. Do you have it?
I'm checking on it.
Don't you communicate frequently, Mr. Mane? You can check where else we are discussing. Don't you communicate with her frequently?
No, I don't. I do communicate with her time to time, but I don't communicate with her frequently.
So tell us, give us a number. The numbers that she will call you with or send you information with regarding your remittances. Mr. Mane?
Yes?
One of my teachers used to say, if it's not there, it cannot come out.
No, I have too many numbers.
You have so many numbers?
Yeah, exactly.
No, just type the name. If it is there, it will come up. If it's not there, it cannot come out. You know, when they ask you a question in school back then, and you know the answer, you are doing your sketching in your head, they will be saying, if it is there, it will come out. Mr. Maya, do you have it?
No, I'm not seeing it here.
You don't have the number of your aunt?
Yes, I have it, but
so it is not there?
Yeah, it's not there.
So it cannot come out?
It is not here.
So it cannot come out?
Yes, exactly.
Because it's not there?
Yeah.
So how do you communicate with your aunt?
Yes, this is what I'm telling you.
Wait a minute. This time around, this me telling you.
Okay, good. Okay. No problem. Sorry for telling you.
Yeah, it's me telling you this time around because all the time it is you telling me.
Yes.
But let me tell you now, just for this last part.
Yes.
Do you have the number of your aunt?
No.
Can you agree that your aunt did not send you this money? Just agree. It's as simple as that. The $90,000 was not sent to you by your aunt. Do you agree to that?
Yeah, that might be true.
Thank you very much. But please, if you reduce the amount of, I don't know, let me not use the word lie. You see, it is very embarrassing for you to say this and come back again just to realize that you are really misleading the commissioners. It's very sad. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
See, when there is no hope at all. If your age, you can be engaging in this kind of misrepresentation in relation to the funds of council's funds, council activities. That is really not positive. So, Honorable Chairperson, the witness has answered that the $90,000 was not sent to him by his aunt. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
So
that's all for this witness.
Yes. No, for the current for the salary account.
For the salary account,
yes.
I don't have a copy.
Yes. Let me. I have questions. Now, you have told this commission that your actual take-home after deduction is 5,933.
Yes.
Do you still want us to believe that after looking at your trust bank account? Is that what is contained in this account? Your take-home after deduction?
My take-home after this deduction?
Yes.
Yes.
Please give him the exhibits.
I believe you have the exhibit. Yes, show him the trust bank.
Trust bank account. Show me where. So, I will be correct to say that your salary should be more than what you have given us, because what you have given us is your take-home.
Yeah.
So, your actual salary should be more than 5,933.
Yes.
So, tell us how much is normally paid into your account, because this is after deduction.
Yes.
So, what is your this is your net?
Yes, it is my
So,
net.
what is your gross?
My gross is $6,172.
So show us in this statement where you have withdrawn your salary, because what we see here is different.
Okay.
Now, let us go through. Let's take, for example, 2021, your salary for the month of March.
Yes.
What was paid into your account? What was credited into your account? was 4,968.67.
Which year?
Is that not?
2021.
Yes, that is 2021.
Okay.
So we go to 2022. Tell me how much was paid into your account in 2022.
In
As your salary.
As my salary.
Yes. And tell me which page.
2022, huh? Let me check. Which month?
Just give me, tell me, guide the commission.
January. Or
20,
I said 2022, which month?
any month you give me, start from January.
okay.
How much was paid into your account?
January.
Yes. As your salary
Okay, as my
for 2022. Is it not $4,210, 17 buruts? Is that not the amount that is credited in your account?
Yes.
So, are you still maintaining that your net salary is 5,933?
Yeah, remember I am undergoing loan at the Trust Bank.
I'm not talking about loan business.
Okay.
I am talking about your actual net salary.
Okay.
We have asked you to bring your salary, your pay scale document, evidence in what scale you are.
Yes.
Did you bring it?
Yes.
Did you submit it to the registrar? To the
No,
registrar?
no.
Please submit it to the registrar.
Okay, all right.
Yes, explain. What were you explaining?
Okay. Okay, I don't know how this happened, but even at my office level, when you ask them, when you call them, you confirm from them, they will tell you, after my deduction, I am left with $5,933.
But this is your account.
Yes, of course, it's
This
my
is
account.
your
ma'am.
personal account.
Exactly.
This is not the council's account.
Yes.
So obviously, you've been dealing with this account since 2015.
Yes.
So you know gradually what your salary is.
Yes.
So you can start explaining to us other story.
Yes.
Because this is your salary and you know exactly what goes in at the end of the month.
Yes.
Now, tell us how much was given to you by council for this loan.
Okay. Like I said.
No, just answer my question before you explain. You first answer and you explain.
Okay. Yes, I was paid $5,933 after my income.
I am asking you.
Okay.
We have gone past that.
Okay.
Because there is no evidence of what you are telling me
Okay.
in this statement,
Okay.
your trust bank statement. Is there any evidence? If there is any, show me before we proceed.
No, there is no evidence.
So we've gone past that issue of 5,933.
Okay.
It is untrue.
Yeah.
It is not correct.
Okay.
What you are telling us is not true.
Yeah.
All right. So now, the loan you took from council.
From council?
Yes.
No, I never took loan from council.
Now, how much loan did you take from Trust Bank?
I've taken loan in the Trust Bank twice.
No, how much loan did you take
Okay.
from Trust Bank?
50,000.
How current is the loan? When did you take this loan?
But I take this loan sometimes around 2021 September, if I can recall.
2021 September.
September, yeah.
Now show me when they start deducting from your, in 2021 September. You have, September 2021. You said you took the loan September 2021.
Yes.
So in October they will start deducting your loan.
Yeah.
So how much were they deducting?
They were deducting sometimes 1,740, sometimes 1,840.
So now show me where the 50,000 was credited into your account as a result of you taking that 50,000 from Trust Bank.
No, I haven't seen it here.
Do you think when the bank credits, when you take a loan from the bank, it will not credit your account?
Yes, of course, it should be.
So why is it not reflected here?
Maybe that might be an oversight
There cannot be maybe, because the banks don't work like that.
Yeah.
Let
Yes.
me put it to you.
Okay.
You never took that loan from the bank.
I swear to Holy Quran, Ma'am. I'm on the oath. I took loan from the Trust Bank, and if you call and confirm from the manager, Mr. Fati, he will attest to that. Yes, I have took a loan, and even right as I am talking to you, they are deducted me. Last time I saw it to the registrar. How even right now my account is over debited. Seriously, if you call them and confirm, they will tell you yes, Monko is having a loan with us, and I'm still paying the loan.
But you cannot show me in your account the 50,000 that is credited to it.
Yes.
You cannot show me.
I'm not saying.
Can you check it again? Can you check your account?
Okay, let me check it.
It is written 2021 September. Check under all that, whether you can see it.
Yes, seriously, I didn't see
You
it.
cannot see it.
I cannot see
Now,
it.
what is your balance?
With them?
Yes, with them.
Well, I cannot tell how much is my balance, but I know I am paying up to now.
You are paying up to now.
Yes.
So what is, based on the statement there,
Yes.
what is your closing balance?
My closing balance. Sorry, what do you mean by closing balance, ma'am? Because can you come down to my level so that I can understand?
Now, I haven't seen, when last did they pay salary into your account?
Was June.
Huh?
Was in June.
June which month? June which year? 2023?
This year, yeah, exactly.
So, May, they would have paid your May salary.
Mm-hmm.
When last did you go to the bank to check your balance?
I think it was but some days after the commission has called me to come and answer. Then by then I was having no money.
By then you were having?
I was having no money. Then
enough money?
Yeah, yes. May.
Yes.
But you said, when did I last go to the bank?
Yes, when last?
That was but some days before the commission will call me to come and answer to them.
Yes.
So I went
This
there.
commission?
Exactly.
Okay.
So I went there to take an overdraft so that I can, because when the registrar called me, I told him that, well, I am without a money because I'm not paid, you understand? He told me that then you have to try by all means and then have money somewhere else and come. And I had to go to the bank to take an overdraft to finance myself to come over here.
So did Mr. Krubali deposit any money to your account?
Mr. Krubali?
Yes, Naba. Yes.
Naba have never deposited money into my account.
Check your Trust Bank account. 23rd January.
23rd January.
Yes.
Or 2022?
Huh?
2021 or 2022?
2023 January.
Okay.
That's the second to last page.
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Yes, I saw it.
Yes. What was that for?
That was my salary, because he was the one who used to post our salaries.
It cannot be salary. Because, let me refer you to November salary paid in.
Okay.
17th of December 2022. Did you see that?
17th?
17th of December 2022. That is November salary being posted to your account.
Yeah, exactly.
So it cannot be your salary. Am I correct? Am I correct, Mr. Mane?
No, Ndaba Olex.
I said it cannot be your salary. Am I correct? If it was salary, it would reflect in the statement that it is salary.
No, but there's no point in time that we will go and cash money into my account when it is not salary. The only time he deposited money into my account was, when it is time to go and pay my salary. He will go and deposit my salary to my account, then I will go and collect it.
So we should expect to see January, February. You said they stopped paying your salary in June. So we should expect to see Ndaba depositing money into your account from January.
Yes, salaries.
Cash deposit.
Cash deposits.
Because what the statement says here is that cash deposit by Ndaba Kurubali.
Yes.
With the telephone number.
Yes.
And the sum credited to your account is 5,075.19.
Yes.
Is that your salary?
Yes.
What did you tell us your salary was?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can I explain?
No, you see, Mr. Mane, you would do yourself a great justice if you tell the truth.
Yes.
Because on the 25th of January, the same Ndaba Kurubali deposited a sum total of 5,933.85. Is that also salary?
Yes, that is also salary.
So you have two salaries in January. The one paid in on the 9th, and the one paid in on the 25th. So you were paid two salaries by the council.
Yes, that would have been.
You were paid two salaries by the council.
Not in January. That would have been December salary, because sometimes council will go up to on the 10th they wouldn't pay.
This statement did not indicate that, because on the 9th of January, Ndabat deposited 5,000 plus.
Yes.
And the 25th of January, he also deposited again 5,933.85.
Yes, these are all salary. These are all salary account. These are all my salaries.
So, but then why is it that there is huge difference between the one deposited in January and the one deposited on the 9th of January and the one deposited on the 25th? Why the difference?
Yes.
So you don't have a permanent, you don't have a fixed salary?
No, I have
salary
a
varies.
I have a fixed salary, but remember I told you that
No, I'm asking you.
Okay.
So why the variance here?
Yeah, sometimes we do take overdraft. So when you take overdraft, if a money is deposited into your account, then automatically they will deduct that amount from their money, and the one you are left with will be there as your salary.
In February, there is no money paid by Ndaba. Since you said Ndaba pays your salary, there is no payment in the account for salary.
Yes.
And you said they stopped paying you people's salary in June. So what happened?
In June?
Yes, that is what I'm saying. Yes, you said they stopped paying salary. You did not receive your salary since June.
Yes.
This year?
Yeah, this year.
So why didn't you receive your salary in February?
In February?
Yes.
This past this about 2020 February or?
Can you answer the question yourself?
Yes, I'm asking whether it is.
You have the document before you. Can you check?
What is that?
Please? In February, you were not paid salary. What happened?
February this year. I was paid February's salary.
Where is the salary?
I have withdrawn it.
Huh?
I have withdrawn it.
Show me in your bank statement where salary was paid in, either by the council or by Ndaba, because you said to us that Ndaba pays salary cash. He takes cash and pays you people's salary,
exactly.
and pays into your account your salary.
Exactly.
So why is it that none of that is reflected here? Because there are only 2 transactions in February. Your loan repayment and interest applied. Is that not it?
Yes, exactly. Loan payment and interest.
So how did you receive your salary? This time, is it over the counter?
No, I never received
So
it.
how did you receive your February salary?
I received it from the bank, ma.
And it is not here in the statement?
Yes, that's doubt me, but I received it in the bank.
So we are requesting that you produce that information by tomorrow. You go back to Trust Bank and tell them to give you a printout of your salary that you received in February. And that also goes for March, April, May. Yes. And go to any branch.
Okay, all
so it's February, March, April, May. Since you said you did not receive for June. February, March, April, and May. Please provide it by tomorrow, before close of working day.
So we have 2 questions.
Yeah.
Yes, just 2. In March 2021, on the 8th of March 2021, you deposited $25,000 in the council's account.
In the council account.
I believe this must have been revenue collected.
Okay.
Because each time you deposit their money, it will probably be money you have gotten from your work as a revenue collector. Is that not correct?
Yeah, exactly.
But on the same day, then you also deposited in your own account $10,000.
That's what, which month and which year?
8 March 2021.
8 March 2021. Okay.
And the same thing also was repeated in on the 3rd of June 2021, when you put in the account of council $4,300 and then went to your own bank and deposited $10,000.
Yes.
But why will you do that?
This, like I said, it's from Anasusu.
No, that's not possible. Your Usuzu
Yes,
is $12,000.
Yes, $12,000.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So in March,
Yes.
April, May, June, it can't be Usuzu. Are you giving the Usuzu twice?
No, only once in a year.
Exactly. So I'm telling you, in March,
Yes.
the same thing happened.
Okay.
In June, the same thing happened. So forget about Usuzu. What we see here
Okay.
is from collecting revenue.
Okay.
You will deposit some monies in the either council's account, and some will be deposited in your own private personal account. Why will you do that?
No, I have never deposited any council's money into my account.
No, but the evidence is here. It's very clear. You can see it. It's very, very clear. And I told you lastly, 15 August 2018,
Yes.
all the way to 26 December 2018, no payments were made to the account of council over a month. Why?
Yes. That's true. Can I explain?
About 3 months or more.
Yes.
Why would you sit for about 3 months without making any deposit to the council's account?
To the council account.
Yes.
Yes. This is at a time when I was specifically dealing with rates and taxes.
Yes.
So, and sometimes, I will collect all I'm supposed to collect. Depending on ones that I find very difficult, I will go around, talk to them, they wouldn't respond.
So for 3 months,
Yes.
no collection?
Yes.
That's possible?
Yeah, it happens, yeah.
But it was the same time you now deposited $90,000 in your own account.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, same period.
Yes.
That you deposit $9,000, but you don't know where it is from.
Yeah, exactly.
In your own account.
I forgot where the source of money.
No, you need to forget. You actually lied, and then when you were caught, you have no answer. But the same thing happened again in January 2019, all the way to February 2019, over a month. No deposit, but you had monies. So that's all for this witness.
So please endeavor to bring, particularly your month's salaries for the month of February, March, April, May.
Yeah, but how about this?
You understand? You go to Trust Bank and bring and all the other documents that we have asked you to bring. So we may rise.
Oh, no, ma'am, can I please say this?
Yes.
Okay, I want to take this opportunity and thank every commissioner.
No, you will have that. You will have that because you are still to come back because we have documents that
Okay.
You are just discharged. You are not told to go away finally.
Yes.
Because we still, if we need you, we will call you.
Okay.
When we are done with you, we will let you know.
Okay, all right.
And you can make your statement.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.